Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be looking at this bone. This bone is called the clavicle. This is also known as the collarbone or the beauty bone in general terms, which we say. So when we see this bone, first how do we determine which side bone this is, either left or right? So we have to know some features of the bone in order to determine which side it is. So coming to the features, we can see this bone has a flat surface and a rounded surface. Okay, so this flat surface is the lateral end of the clavicle, and this is the medial end of the clavicle, which is rounded. Medial end means medial part is towards the body, and the lateral part means it is away from the body. Okay, so from this we can at least say this, that if the flattened part is the lateral part and the rounded part is the medial part, so this is the left side of the clavicle. This is the left sided clavicle of our body. Okay, so we hold it in this way. When we hold the clavicle, there are four surfaces: superior surface, inferior surface, anterior surface, and the posterior surface. Okay, so here we will see that the superior surface is smooth, but the inferior surface has ridges, has tubercles, and a roughened area. When we hold it in the anatomical position, we will see that the clavicle is divided into two parts. If we see, this is if we divide it into three parts, then this is the 2/3 of the clavicle, and this is the lateral 1/3. Okay, this is a major portion, 2/3, medially 2/3, and laterally 1/3. This medial part, when we keep it in an anatomical position, the anterior surface is convex and the posterior surface is concave, whereas the 1/3 lateral part, the anterior part is concave and the posterior part is convex. Okay, so if we know at least these things, we can determine the side, which sided clavicle this is. Okay, so coming to the tapered end, this articulates with the acromion process of the scapula to form the acromioclavicular joint. The rounded part articulates with the sternum, which forms the sternoclavicular joint. Okay, below, if we see in the inferior surface, we will find a tubercle. This is called the conoid tubercle. There is a ridge, and there is a long line like structure through which the subclavius muscle passes. Also, there are certain rough areas where attachment of muscles takes place. The attachment of muscles will come later on, but these are the major features of the clavicle, through which we can at least determine which side clavicle this is and which is the anatomical position of the muscle of the clavicle. Okay, thank you.